Hola mis amores, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to share with you guys today this beautiful Christmas bell decor piece made with Dollar Tree items. I am going to be using these two big bells that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and then I'm just going to remove the bows on the top. I did use my clippers. I just had them on hand, but I don't really think you really need it. And then I just removed all the glitter with my sandpaper. They had a lot of glitter, but I just sanded it and then I washed them with water and soap, and then the glitter was gone. And then I painted it with some white chalk paint. I gave it 2 coats. While I was painting this, I had the idea of removing the ball looking piece at the bottom. It wasn't hard at all to remove it. I was just being very careful. I didn't break the whole piece since I think it's plastic. Once the paint is dry, I am going to sand the bottoms to reveal all the beautiful details these bells have. Then I folded my sandpaper and I sanded the middle. When I bought these bells at the store, I already knew they were going to be beautiful, but I didn't know they had those beautiful prints until I sanded all the glitter off at the beginning. I am in love with this. I think they look so high-end. Nobody would know that I only paid $1 for these bells. I bought this black and white buffalo check scrapbook paper for only 25 cents at Hobby Lobby. When I went to purchase this, they were having the special buy 4 for $1. They are usually 69 cents each, so if you want to go and get the special, go and check your Hobby Lobby. They might still have it. I placed the bell and traced the bottom, and now I am cutting it with my scissors, and I am going to glue it to the bottom of my bells with some Mod Podge. Once the Mod Podge dried, I grabbed my sandpaper and sanded all the corners very carefully to give it a more rustic look. Now I'm adding Mod Podge to the top, and I am going to let it dry for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. I am using these 2 ornaments, also from Dollar Tree, to hang from the bell to look like clapper bell. I'm not sure how you call it. If you know the correct name, let me know down in the comments. I cut a string of twine to hang my ornament from the bell. Before I added the ornament, I decided to add a little piece that I took from an old garland, but if you're going to try this DIY, you can use any greenery you want or something else. I added glue with my hot glue gun to the back to attach the twine with the ornament. Now I'll be using this ribbon that I got at the Christmas section at Walmart for $2.48, and I am going to cut 2 pieces of this ribbon, one about 19 inches long and then the smaller one about 10 inches, and then I am going to make a knot to tie them together. Now with my hot glue gun, I am going to glue both bells to the ribbons where I want them to hang. I added extra glue to the top to really secure the bells. Now, using the same ribbon, I am going to make 2 simple bows to add on top of my bells. I folded the tips to cut them in a V cut. I added a little piece of the ribbon to the middle of my bow to make it look prettier, and then I glued it to the top of my bell, and then I am adding Mod Podge to my ornament and glitter to make it look like snow. This joy ornament is from Hobby Lobby. I paid about $1.50 after the 50% discount they have on their Christmas sale. Since I am hanging these bells on my front door, I want it to be really secure, so I'm adding extra glue to the back, and I cut a little piece of the same scrapbook paper that I used before to add it to the top. Okay, mis amores, thank you so much for watching today's video. I think this decor piece turned out so gorgeous, but let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I am working on my next DIY video right now, and I will be sharing with you guys 5 Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss that video coming up. And I will see you all soon. Bye!